I'll be sharing an awesome SaaS story on how this founder got to $74,000 in monthly recurring revenue as a solo founder. So this SaaS is called Pallyy, and the founder is Tim B here, and this was posted on IndieHackers, and I'll leave a link in the description below to the original post. So overall, Tim gives a summary of their journey here, so let's go over it. So the first 6 months was spent learning how to code. Next was spending 30 days building an MVP of an Instagram analytics platform. Next, they launched it. It was uneventful. They had no audience. They launched it on Product Hunt, but didn't go well, and they had almost no response. There's a little bit of a pivot here, as a friend had a free IG or Instagram analytics tool. He gave it to them and they redirected it to their platform. So they ended up getting around 100 customers at $5 a month. And so they pivoted. The initial sharing feature they built, absolutely nobody wanted. So they removed it and focused on the analytics dashboard. So getting customer feedback is extremely important, as it's going to help direct your product vision and roadmap. And so they plateaued on growth after 2 years. And people wanted a scheduling and analytics tool, but at the same time, Instagram scheduling wasn't possible due to their API. Then for their pivot number 2, Instagram opened their API to allow anyone to publish posts. So within a week, they built the scheduling feature. And in the coming months, they added other social platforms, and it quickly became the #1 feature. So they rebranded. It was initially called Share My Insights after that initial feature they thought everyone wanted. And so they renamed it to Pallyy. And it was a short, cheap .com domain name, and the logo cost around $1,500. Next, they started focusing on their marketing. So they hired a content writer to do blog posts and social posts, and they started optimizing the SEO, creating feature pages, creating alternative pages, having an affiliate program, and this was the turning point. The following year, they had around a 10x growth. So they increased the price for all users by $3, and this gave them a huge revenue boost. It was 10K plus, most likely on a monthly basis. And so it's been 4 years in their journey, and they are expanding the team, so they're going to no longer be a solo founder, and they're hiring a senior developer. And they're also planning on hiring a customer support and marketing role in the near future. So in conclusion, Tim says anyone can build a SaaS. The motivation for them was building a better lifestyle, and just get started and learn along the way. If we take a look at the Pallyy tool here, it's a social media management platform for growing brands and agencies. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful. It's trusted by growing brands such as Anytime Fitness and Mantra Hotels. They have a completely free plan as well as an $18 a month premium plan, and that's going to how they generate their revenue here. This is very typical for any SaaS product. It's going to be a monthly recurring basis. So overall, it looks like a very well designed tool, and it clearly is given the amount of revenue and users they have. And overall, it looks quite different than I'm guessing the original product looked, as you can now plan your social media posts on a grid from start to finish, plan, create, and schedule your social media posts in seconds, track and analyze your social media performance, as well as manage all your social conversations in one inbox. So definitely a super cool SaaS and an amazing story, as well as an inspirational one. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you want to start your own SaaS or micro SaaS. There's a link in the description below. We can get sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. So again, there's a link in the description below. I also have a course on how to build your own micro SaaS, even if you don't have a product idea yet. There is a link in the description below as well. So make sure you check that out. So this is going to conclude the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. Coming up with new SaaS and micro SaaS videos all the time, sharing inspirational stories just like this, so you don't want to miss out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.